Half of it is missing. You would think for the entrance fee they could finish it.
Very run down. Needs renovation.
No lions. Advertised as an arena with lions? There were no lions.
Basically a big broken circle.
Could not see the fountain. Only saw the back of a man's head for 20 minutes.
Smaller than expected, also wetter. Threw a coin in and nothing happened.
It's a fountain. There are fountains everywhere.
They are steps.
Stairs. Just stairs. In Spain, there are also stairs.
Not allowed to sit on the steps. What else are steps for?
Walked all the way there for stairs.
Waited an hour. It's a face on a wall.
Put my hand in. Nothing happened. Wife says I am a liar, so it doesn't even work.
There is a man who takes your photo and then you leave. That is the whole attraction.
Rubble.
Would be better if they rebuilt some of it.
My 6-year-old said it looked like a building site. He was right.
A field of broken columns. No explanation of what anything was.
They should cover the hole. It would be a nice building otherwise.
Free entry, which explains the quality.
There is a hole in the roof. We got rained on inside a building.
Guards shout at you for talking. In a chapel. Where you go to talk to God.
Neck hurt. Would recommend bringing a mirror.
You have to walk through 50 rooms before you get to the good ceiling.
Too much art. After 2 hours, I stopped looking.
Enormous. Too enormous. Could not find my group.
They made my wife cover her shoulders. Michelangelo's people are naked on the ceiling.
Turned away for wearing shorts. In August. In Italy.
The fountains are nice, but there are 3 of them. And they are all fountains.
Paid €25 for a carbonara that came with cream.
Overpriced restaurants around a square. That's it. That's Rome.
Dog walkers.
We walked 40 minutes to look at a park where a thing used to be. Grass. A long piece of grass. There is nothing there. It's a field,